7 Stoic rituals to start your day with power. The way you begin your day sets the tone for everything that follows. The Stoics knew this well. Their mornings were intentional, disciplined, and rooted in wisdom. Here are 7 Stoic rituals that will help you start your day with power and presence. Begin with silence. Before checking your phone or diving into tasks, sit quietly. Breathe. Center your mind. Seneca believed clarity arises in stillness, not in noise. Reflect on your mortality. Memento Mori. Remind yourself that today is not guaranteed. This awakens gratitude and urgency, 2 forces that fuel meaningful living. Visualize obstacles. Marcus Aurelius practiced premeditation malform, anticipating challenges. By mentally rehearsing adversity, you become resilient, not reactive. Review your virtues. Ask, what kind of person will I be today? Brave, patient, honest? The Stoics lived by principle, not impulse. Set your intention. Epictetus urged us to decide how we wish to behave before life tests us. Ground yourself in your values before stepping into the world. Practice detachment. Prepare to face insult, praise, traffic, setbacks. Without being shaken, expect the unexpected. Train your mind to meet chaos with calm. Lastly, serve others. A Stoic day is not about ego, it's about contribution. Ask, whom can I help today? How can I be useful? These rituals don't take hours, they take intention. Even a few minutes of Stoic discipline in the morning can shape how you handle the entire day. You'll speak with more wisdom, act with more purpose, and face setbacks with strength. Don't let your morning control you. Take control of your morning. Adopt these rituals, and you'll build a foundation of power that no storm can shake. If this resonated with you, make sure to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more Stoic insights to fuel your mind and empower your day.